So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my personal thoughts and opinions about ICCM, Icecure Medical Ltd. Icecure Medical Ltd. has been sitting at price at 140. It's actually now 140, 182, I believe. Yeah, it's 140. Before we get into the saucy technicals, nothing on the channel constitutes professional and financial advice. This is just obviously disclaimer. Everything that I'm going to say in my videos is just my personal thought and opinion. And let's actually start. So, 6-month chart. We have some things right here on the chart. So obviously there's just not a lot of data. I mean, there is. Okay, in the first candle, as you can see, from a 6-month perspective, started on 1st of July, not 2019. There's definitely some late data that we could be working with. Coming into the month chart, we do see a huge break to the upside right here, which was nice. That it was not a break, right? Keep in mind this was just a wick, and now this goes to show that if on this weekly time frame we just wicked it out and just grab all the liquidity, the price, in my personal opinion, might just go lower, tap into the demand, and then deliver higher. So this is exactly what I'm expecting. Again, this is not financial